Alabama. We're here with Codey Davis. Codey, you're one of our sponsors for 2025. What do we got? What are we looking at?
This is my 1999 F250. It's got 12 15-inch subwoofers in the back, all 7500s. I'm beta testing some crazy new amplifiers in this truck that no one's seen yet. And on top of that, I got 24 door speakers and tweeters and all kinds of craziness inside of this truck.
What had you come into that point where you wanted to rebuild this thing?
You know, I just came to a point where I felt like the truck needed a little bit more to stand out from the rest of the crowd. Even though the truck had originally 815s in the truck, it just wasn't loud enough for me and for other spectators being around the vehicle all the time. I knew with MTX and partnership with them, stepping up to 1215s and getting massive power behind these things, this truck was just gonna rock and put other people to shame.
When did you start building this truck? What was the first step toward it?
About 3 years ago, the first step with this truck was getting wheels and getting the paint and the interior all done at once. So that was the hardest thing, but paint job was what I dropped off first.
Have you had any kind of obstacles that fell in the way?
A lot. This is almost called hell truck to me because this truck has put me through hell. The easiest thing actually came along with this was a good friend of mine, Patrick Reed, Mad Concepts. He's the one that painted this truck in Texas and Galveston area. I dropped this truck off. He called me in 2 months, telling me it's done. I was in total shock because most paint jobs, most painters themselves, they take their time, they do it whenever they want. But I dropped it off. He called me, I picked it up, drove it home, and it turned into this beautiful paint job that you see now.
Wow. So this is all painted.
Door jambs inside and out, roof. This whole truck is painted inside and out.
The aesthetic looks amazing.
Yes.
Do you miss the bed at all?
Only when I travel, but since I have 2 little ones with me, it's actually a lot easier to trailer my truck to a lot of shows that are further away. So I can do the suitcases and have my family sit in the truck and not worry so much about trying to get this and avoid like rock chips, potholes, and other drivers on the road.
Let's see how this thing sounds.
I be feeling like I don't be popping enough, I be humble. I'ma keep showing me hump if I want. She told me she wanna have kids. I told her don't know what that is. That you ain't gon' never see me hate on number one song or better. I'm trying to go shop with her. Yeah, what you know, they talk is cheap. Cause now they talk to me, they paying me, man, me. She broke herself, put a boot on. My hip to be broke, I put a move on stuff.
Dude, super loud, crazy as hell. What do you think of the new amplifiers?
Love them. They run nice and cool. They don't get super hot at all to the touch. I don't even have to start the truck, have it running with the batteries I have backing it up right now, and let it play for about an hour. And it just runs cool, and I can just show it off for as long as I want, basically.
How many batteries do you have in here?
I have 4 batteries right now.
4 batteries?
Yep.
What about your main power?
Main power is JS alternators. I have 2 of the 400 amp alternators.
All right, JS alternator with 4 batteries.
Yep.
Is there anything that you want to tell all the people out there about this truck? Maybe like a story or something that most people wouldn't even know, wouldn't even think?
You know, the craziest thing is when you first look at this interior in this truck, it's a 99, but I have a 2015 dash in it, so it's been fully converted over. But my seats themselves are out of a 2023 Chevy Tahoe. The story behind that is I originally dropped off my seats to get them done about a year ago for SEMA, and the guy took my money and my seats and just disappeared on me. So I had to go and find seats right away, which unfortunately, the closest thing I could find was Chevy seats that would actually work for me. So they're modified, but...
I would have never known had you not told me.
Yeah.
The only thing that somewhat might have given it away was I looked and the power side of it was like, man, I don't remember it looking like that. So other than that, if you didn't tell me, I would have never known.
Yeah.
Man, the truck looks great. Seeing it in pictures and seeing it on social media and seeing it, firsthand is 2 completely different things. And I encourage everyone, go check out this truck. Where can we find you at, social media wise?
Social media, Instagram, I'm Loud F250. You can find me there all day long. I post everything about this truck, stereo wise to some build pictures of it, just so that we get more involved with it.
Cool. Check out social media, and for the latest products and content, check out mtx.com or our social media, MTX Audio USA. Thanks a lot.